In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails on Pipedrive. This platform has truly simplified the process of reaching out to multiple contacts at once, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. So, let's dive in. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, head over to the Contacts section. You can easily find this from the dashboard, where all your contacts are neatly organized. Here, you'll see a list of your contacts. Now, if you want to perform any bulk actions, like sending emails to all of them, the easiest way is to start by selecting all your contacts at once. To do this, just click on the first checkbox at the top of the list. This handy little checkbox will mark all your contacts for any action you decide to take next. Now, with all your contacts selected, it's time to move on to sending your bulk email. Keep an eye out for the Send Group Email button. Once you click on it, a new window or tab will pop up, allowing you to compose your email. This is your canvas to craft the perfect message. The email composition window is straightforward and user-friendly. As you begin typing, you'll need to fill in the recipient's email area, your message body, and of course, a subject for your email. Keep your message clear and direct, focusing on the main points you want to communicate. One great tip to keep in mind is personalizing your email where you can. Even a small amount of personalization can significantly increase engagement from your recipients. Now, before you send out your email, there's an option to highlight certain parts of your message. This feature is incredibly useful for drawing attention to the key segments in your email, whether that's a call to action, an urgent piece of information, or some other crucial element. Think carefully about what you choose to highlight, as this can greatly affect how your message is received. A well-thought-out highlight can emphasize the importance and urgency of your message and improve the chances that your contacts will respond positively. Finally, when you're completely satisfied with your email, it's time to hit that Send Messages button. Give it a click, and your email will be sent out to all the selected contacts. Before you hit send, though, it's always crucial to review your email thoroughly. A well-crafted, error-free message not only reflects your professionalism, but also shows respect for your recipients. And just like that, you've successfully sent a bulk email via Pipedrive. Pretty simple, right? By following these steps, you can efficiently communicate with multiple contacts at once, saving yourself time and ensuring consistency in your communications. Whether you're sending out a newsletter, an announcement, or any other bulk message, Pipedrive streamlines the process, making it more manageable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, effective communication is key to maintaining strong relationships with your contacts, and Pipedrive is a fantastic tool to help you achieve just that. Happy emailing!